Today, I'm going to show you how to change map and picture defaults in Strava. So I'm starting here by opening the Strava application on my phone. Once the app loads and I'm on the main screen, I'm looking down at the bottom navigation bar where all the main sections are located. From there, I'm clicking on You, which is usually the profile or personal section of the app. This takes me into my account area where I can access settings and preferences. Now that I'm on the U section, I'm looking up at the upper right corner of the screen. Right there, I can see a gear icon, which is the universal symbol for settings. So I'm tapping on that gear icon to open up the full settings menu. This is where all the customization options and account preferences are stored, and it's the only way to get to the specific setting we need for changing the default highlight media. Once the settings menu opens, I'm scrolling down through the list of options. There are usually quite a few categories here, so I'm just moving through them until I find the section labeled Preferences. This section contains settings related to how Strava displays and handles your activity data, including what shows up as the default highlight when you finish a workout or view past activities. Inside the Preferences section, I'm looking for an option called Default Highlight Media. Once I see it, I'm tapping on it. This setting controls what Strava automatically shows as the main highlight for your activities. By default, it might be set to show a map of your route or a photo you've uploaded, but this is where you can change that behavior to match what you prefer to see first. Now, the default highlight media options appear on the screen. Here I can see two choices. One is media, which means Strava will prioritize showing photos or videos you've added to the activity. The other is map, which means Strava will show the route map as the main highlight instead. So depending on what I want to see first when I look at my activities, I'm selecting either media or map. This choice is entirely up to personal preference. If you like seeing your route visualization right away, go with map. If you prefer your photos to stand out, choose media. After I've selected the option I want, I'm clicking dismiss to close the menu and save the change. And that's it. The default highlight media setting is now updated, and from this point forward, Strava will display either your map or your media as the main highlight depending on what you just selected. This makes it easier to view your activities the way you want without having to switch between views every time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.